Douglas Mwonzora is grappling with legal and financial challenges as his law firm, Mwonzora and Associates, had its office property seized last week due to 3 months of unpaid rent. The firm reportedly owes $3,750 in arrears for the period from July to September 2024. Sanapina mashoko atona kuti vakomana vanhu vaya vakati ko kumbotengesa munombotengesereko, munomboya muchimboitere mabetrayals kana muchizoona kuti vakomana vacho the regime aiwa vanozoburitsa mapanga against you. Sanapina mashoko amudanyira kunapa uri subscribe or like on the bell kuti mita pa hendo yecrime of Zimbabwe amudanyira chiti Simon Denere, the landlord of the premises at 44 East Court Road, Belvedere, initiated legal proceedings on September 19 by filing summons for the overdue rent through an expert application at the Harare Civil Court. Denere obtained a court order authorizing the attachment of property without Mwonzora's presence in court. Last Tuesday, the messenger of court imposed the order confiscating several items from Mwonzora's office, including sofas, a reception desk, an office desk, 4 computers, 2 printers, office chairs, and a generator. The action was carried out under Section 34 of the Magistrate Court Act, aimed at preventing tenants from living without paying their debts. Tichipinda pahindi yaosaloziziva ani achikomenda this action achiti that is how it always ends. No chamisa to blame, just the bitter taste of impunity, the suffocating grip of ZANU, and the chaos that ensures disorder reigns supreme. The final curtain call, a dismissal end to a tale of betrayal and deceit. Ndomashoko ani achikomenda naosaloziziva chiti aiwa ndo final result yacho ndokutengesa kwachisvezvi the regime wamunhu ZANU-PF havachakutarisi, vakutotumira vanhu kuti vanokutorera property, mari hauchambopiwe, sei uri kutadza kubhadhara marentals. Tutse mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Enda comment section medu, musano subscribe or like, bell icon.